right, second grade friends, let's get ready for sound deck. Go ahead and get your body in learning position. Give me 5. Eyes watching, ears listening, body still, hands free, mouths ready to speak. Here we go. Y, I, Y, E. I, E, O, A, U, CH, ch, TCH, ch, WH, SH, sh, TH, CK, k, QU, qu, OAO, OWO, OW, owl, OU, owl, EAE, EAA, EEE, AIA, AYA, O consonant E, O, I consonant E, I, U consonant E, U, A consonant E, A, E consonant E, E, O, IGH, I, ANK, ank, UNG, ung, ING, ing, ANG, ang, ONK, onk, ONG, ong, INK, ink, UNK, unk, FF, LL, ul, SS, AR, R, UR, OR, or, ER, IR, DGE, j, GE, j, CE, s, CI, s, CY, s. That's it for sound deck, guys. I'll see you just a minute for dictation.